Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So first we should get the Muviz application from the Play Store because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AOD option. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Muviz app. Now just tap the install button and wait just a couple of seconds while this application will download and then installing on your device. So then just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and here click on the switcher, then go back, tap to AOD section and select one from the available options, tap to apply. Now let's just lock the device and we could see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.